The password is same?
I think so.
Can you see my whiteboard?
I don't think so. I have a holiday homework. Yes.
What about you were supposed to get a link where you have a practice sheet. Do you have that for sequence?
What, ma'am?
Your school was supposed to send some link for practice sheet. Do you receive that? Have you received that?
Maybe.
Check in math.
Yeah, all the sequences and multiplication practice sums you have to just go to those practice questions and then you get to go to Google Chrome, Google and Safari like that.
Acha, but you have received some, but your password is same? Is your password same? Can you ask your mom or dad?
About what, ma'am?
About the password so that I can open the classroom.
Okay. Wow, you're so invisible, Dave. So tough is gonna be. Ma'am?
Yeah.
The code is David D'Souza Rahane. Install. Just 1 minute. Then it's DT. David Tian.
Just a second, no, Tian?
At gmail.com. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the email ID is daviddesouza.rahane at gmail.com.
But last time the so it is the same
Password is install DT3103 star. I kept it.
Same only.
Sorry?
Same only, na, like last year?
Yeah.
No changes, na?
No. I capital install DT3103 star.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dave, you can put in your normal self because I could not see. Because your camera is flickering. It is not. Now that's better. Sit properly. Sit next to the camera of your iPad, then you will be proper. But do not move.
David and Tian,
Yeah.
can you ask your father to send the PDF, because my eye is not working in my laptop, so I cannot set the password.
Okay.
The key is not working, eye ka key. So can he help to send it through WhatsApp?
Do we have to send?
If you can, please.
You don't know how to do it, but you should tell.
Can you ask your parent to send through WhatsApp, because my eye key is not working?
You mean the PDF?
Yeah. Or if you could share your Google Classroom directly.
Okay.
Can you call your father?
Sure. Now my dad is sending a PDF to you.
Please. Meanwhile, we will start with our textbook. Okay? We have to complete the textbook also, so we'll complete the textbook. Take your notebook. Take your notebook.
I already got.
So last time we started with linear and non-linear. Okay? So if it is add 2, okay? And if the sequence is 2, 4, 6, 8, it is linear or non-linear?
Ma'am,
Yeah?
look at our vacation homework. It's sent it to Shakshi ma'am.
Okay. She will send me across, but meanwhile we'll do this. Chalo karo. Subtract 5. Okay. So 25, 20, 15, 10. Is it linear or non-linear? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, in that worksheet, you will only have to go to Google Classroom for that.
But I cannot send the password. Na, my key is not working. I key is not working, bacha.
Yeah,
When I press I, the key is not working, so I cannot press I, bacha. In your password, it is first letter is I, na? That's why.
If you can try lower spelling I or upper spelling.
But my I key is not working on the laptop. The keypad is not working. I.
Oh.
That's the problem.
Maybe it does not afford that sometimes.
Now, can you see the whiteboard at least? We'll start doing with the textbook and then we'll do the worksheet. Can you see the textbook whiteboard? David and Tian?
Yeah.
David and Tian, can you see the textbook whiteboard? Tell me. Are you able to see the whiteboard?
Yeah, I'm able to see.
What is written?
Add 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. It's linear. And subtract
Okay.
5, 25, 20, 15, 10 is linear.
Okay. Now what is this? multiply by
multiply by 3. 2, 6, 18.
So is this sequence a linear? Is this a linear sequence or a non-linear sequence?
It is
Is it
linear.
how it is linear? What is the condition?
Multiply by 3. It's maybe non-linear.
You tell me. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And 6 threes is also 18. So it is linear or non-linear?
Linear.
Ah. So you should be confident what you are telling. If I say is it not linear, so you should say no, miss, it is linear. I can cross check you, na? So you should know what you are doing. Now if it is, add one more each time. Okay? Add one more each time. So numbers are 2, 3, 5, 8. Tell me, is it linear?
Linear.
Is it linear?
It is not linear because it's 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. It's not 5.
So then it is linear or not linear?
Not linear.
Okay. Now next is multiply each counting number by itself. Okay? And the sequence
Yeah.
is 1, 4, 9. Is it linear?
It is linear.
Why? Can you tell me? If it is linear, why linear? If it is not linear, why non-linear? Tell me. What is the meaning of this? Multiply each counting number by itself. What are the counting numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are counting numbers. So, multiply each counting number by itself means what? 1 multiply by 1. 2 multiply by 2. 3 multiply by 3. So, what is the answer of this? It is 1.
1,
What is the then 4,
4,
then
then
9, and then 4 fours will be 16.
16.
Okay, so this is the condition given. So this is the sequence, and here what is given? Same only, na? 1, 4, 9. So therefore it is a linear sequence. Okay, so you should understand this condition given. Multiply each counting number by itself. Itself means first number is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. And 3 times 3 is 9. So it is a linear sequence. So if it is asked what is the next number, it will be 16. Because 4 times 4. Then next number will be 5 times 5. 25. Okay. So these are the two numbers if they ask. Okay. And which are these numbers? You know now. I have explained you. They are called square numbers.
Square numbers.
We have done these square numbers last time. Okay. How square numbers are made? Suppose now this is first we'll take about 1. Okay. 1 ones is equal to 1. That means if you want to represent 1 and then draw a square. Okay. Then this is 1. Now take 2 2s are. Okay. So now base is 2. So draw 2 dots and again 2 dots. Okay. So now you can make a square out of this.
Square.
Okay. Now I am making 3 into 3. So how can I make
So
3
it
into
will
3?
be 9. 1,
Ha.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So then again it is a square.
Square.
Now 4.
4 dash 4 is 16.
So how? 4, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 2,
3,
3, 4, 2, 3, and this is
3,
your 4.
4.
Okay. And then when you fill up the gaps, there are 16 dots. So when you make like this, it becomes a
16.
square.
It
The
becomes
total
a big
numbers are
square.
So these are called square numbers. Okay, so the number multiplied by itself. So therefore it is a linear pair. Okay.
Yeah.
So read the conditions properly what is given. Okay. And you have to, if they are asked what is the next two numbers, you have to write the next term also. Okay. Now next is divide by 2. Okay, and the first number is given 32, then the next number is given 16, and next number is 8. So first tell me whether it is a linear sequence or a non-linear.
A linear or non-linear. So it will. So it's
It is
linear.
Yes, divide by 2. Divide by 2. If you divide 32 by 2, you will get 16. When you divide 16 by 8, you will get 2. Because half, you have to directly make half. Divide by 2 means what? It is half. So half of 32 is 16. Half of 16 is 8. Now what will be the next number? What is half of 8? It is 4.
4.
The next
And
term
half
is
of 4
4.
is 2.
2.
And
Correct?
half of 2 is 1.
No, it is 0.
0.
2 divided by 2 is 0, na? Not 1. Okay, 2 divided by 2, 1. It is not subtraction, correct. So half of 2 is 1.
Yeah.
But they are asking you only the next term. So write only 4.
Yeah.
Okay? So now this is the condition given is divide by 2. So the next number, this is also a linear sequence. Now if I am asking you subtract 4 and the linear question is it is 20, 16, 12. Tell me the next number.
The next number. It will be 10.
It will be how 10?
9.
No, subtract
8.
4 bacha.
8.
8. Okay, so answer is 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Now if the sometimes the sequence is like this. Can you tell me which will be the next term?
The next term.
Can you see what is written here? 2 and 3. So if you add 2 plus 3, what you get? 5. When you add 3 and 5, you get 8. Correct? And when you get add 5 and 8, you get 13. So that means you are adding the previous two terms. Okay? So here you are adding 2 plus 3, you get 5. When you add 3 plus 5, you get 8. When you add 5 and 8, you get 13. So for next number, what you will add? 8 and 13. So the number will be 21. Okay, so you're adding two numbers. Means you're adding the previous number to the next number. Okay, so that can be also called as add one each time. It is not necessary each one means you are adding 2 plus 1. You are adding the given digits. Okay, that means add 1 means here it is add the next digit. Add
Next.
1 means 1 more means it is the next digit. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so when you do 2 and 3, it is 5. When you do
5.
3 and 5, it is 8. When you do 5 and 8, it is 13. So for next number, you will add 8 and 13. So your answer is 21. So can you tell me for the next number, what you will add? What are the next two numbers that you will add? 8 and 13 is finished. So what you will add? 13 and 21. So what is 13 plus 21? 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 plus 3 is 34.
Yeah,
So that means you will add this.
so 3 plus 1 will be 4 and 1 plus 2 is 3.
So that way also you can add. So answer is 34. Okay. So that means you're adding one term, these two terms, and you're getting 5. Then you do 3 plus 5, you get 8. Then you do 5 plus 8, you get 13. And we do 8 plus 13, you get 21. So when you're doing this number, you will get 34. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're adding the consecutive numbers. Okay.
Hmm.
So that consecutive numbers means what? They are the next to each other. Next to each other. Okay. So 3 is next to 2. So you will add 2 and 3. 5 is next to 3. You will add 5 and 8. Okay. So that means you're adding the consecutive number, the next number to the previous number. Okay.
Hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6. So these are what? Consecutive numbers. These are also consecutive numbers. Here what you are doing, but here what you are doing?
It's you are
Next number. Yes, this is the next number. You are adding 1, so this is the next number. This is the next number. And this is the next number. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
But suppose if I give you to complete this and the number is 27. Okay, so which three consecutive numbers you will add so that it will become 27? Suppose if I say the first number is 1, the next number is 2, next number is 3, next number is 4, next number is 5. So if you add them, what is the answer? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. So when you add all these numbers, what is your answer? 15. Correct? 1
Yeah.
plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So when you add them, it is 15. So can you tell me which three numbers you will add? So you will get 27. But they should be consecutive numbers.
Yeah.
Here you got 15. But when you are adding these 5 numbers, okay? But you have to search 3 numbers so that your answer is 27. So suppose if I say 7, 8 and 9. So what is the answer? When you add 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. But how much I want? 27. So change this number. Okay?
Number.
And you can say 8, 9 and 10. So what is 8 plus 9? 17. 17 and 10 is 27. So what are the three consecutive numbers? 8, 9 and 10. Understood? So when you add 8, 9,
Yeah.
10, they are becoming consecutive numbers and they add up to 27. So what are the three numbers when you want 27? They are 8, 9 and 10. So write it down in your notebook. Are you copying? Chalo fast. Write it down.
Ma'am,
Now
can I get my pencil?
fast. Then why are you not taking your pencil before the class? Before the class starts, you should be ready with your pencil, your notebook. Okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
So again, there are 5 consecutive numbers. So when you add them, it is equal to 25. Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15. So you can take 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. But then these numbers are too big. It will, when you add, it will be more than this number. So you have to logically think and take the numbers. So which number you can take? Suppose you have 4, 5, 9. 9 and 6 is 15. 15 and 7 will be 22. And 8 if I take, so it is also, so now you know this here is 22. So 22 plus 3 is 25. So change your number from 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you can write here 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Understood? So at home you will practice from 1 to 10. If you add 1, 2, 3, what is the number? Then you check 2, 3, 4, what are the numbers? It will be fun also. Okay?
Yeah.
Have you copied? Show me on your camera. Have you copied?
I am copying.
Over? Have you completed? So that we can start with your holiday homework.
Okay.
Can I erase?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, don't erase.
No, you should be fast then.
I'm not yet done.
What you were doing so much time I gave you? You copy from the recording now. Now start your holiday homework. Chalo. So now Hassan shaded in grey these numbers on a 100 square. The numbers from a pattern. So pattern is given like this. Okay, the numbers are given. So suppose this is a answer. They have given you numbers. Okay, David and Tian.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so in grid of this, the numbers are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and here also there are numbers now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, I will draw again. So first number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and here it is 11. The next number is 22. Tell me what is the number?
33, 40,
Uh,
55, 66, and 77. 44 and 55.
not here, not here. 11 के बाद it is 12,
12,
13,
13,
14.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
So 21 will be here, 22, 23, 24, and it goes on. Okay, I'm not writing every number. Now here it will be 31, 32, 33, 34, and it goes on. So next is 35, 41, 42.
You can erase it. Erase the 35 and 41.
So here it will be 41. Okay, and it goes on. So the next series will be 51.
52, 53, 54, then it goes on.
Okay, so next it will be 61. So it is the grid has been made. Okay, and what has been given you? Okay, these numbers are shaded. So this number, then this number, and this number. Okay, these numbers are shaded. So it is going diagonally like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so now can you tell me what is Hassan's rule for finding the next number? So what he is doing? 11. So what is the series now? 11, 22, 33, then 44. Then what will be the next number? Tell me what will be the next number?
The next number.
Here what will be the next number? 11, 22, 33, 44.
23, 44.
No,
50.
no. You didn't get me. You didn't get me. I will draw again. You don't have the worksheet in your hand. Can you see the worksheet? Can you open your classroom? No, you cannot open your classroom.
I could open.
So open it and read the question. What is the question given? See. Open your classroom.
My classroom.
Have you opened it?
You mean sequences and multiplication practice?
Yeah,
sum?
they are your homework. That open it. Opened.
I think so. It's a practice question.
So go there.
It's maybe some quiz or something.
So you open exercise 1.1. Have you opened,
Ma'am?
bacha? Yeah.
Can I share my screen?
Sorry.
Ma'am, can I share my screen? Because
You can share your screen.
Yeah.
To share. Very good. That's what I'm asking you. Can you share your screen? What happened? Are you not able to share? Can you call your father so that I can tell him? Tian, David.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Can you see my whiteboard? David and Tian.
Yeah, I could see.
So what is written?
74.
And then what's the next number?
76. Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you open their classroom so that they can see the worksheet?
Yeah, they also can open.
So tell them, na, because I have, but without looking at the worksheet, they cannot solve, na?
No, they will go back. No? Sequence.
Open
the worksheet.
Because without the worksheet, they will not be able to understand. I have the worksheet. They should also have.
What is the problem?
It's like
Practice worksheets. Yeah, do it. No?
This is the practice worksheet. You have to submit this. Do it. Yes, ma'am. This is, you have the practice worksheet, right?
Yeah.
Practice question. The first is Naomi counts back in steps of 100. That one, right? Yeah.
I
That's
open
one, right?
exercise 1.1 in which a grid is given. But
Correct.
textbook we have done. You know, I opened the black and white one. Numbers and number system, the black and white worksheets,
Okay,
not
there
the
is
colored one.
the worksheet, practice questions. I think that's also been sent to you right now. Sequence practice sheets. These are screenshots. The screenshots are sent to you. Do you have
There is
the
a
screenshots with
16
you?
pages PDF, correct?
Yeah, they are PDFs only.
16
And,
pages. I have opened the 16 pages. The 17 pages that we have almost completed.
So the rule for a sequence of number is add 3 each time. That one? Or
Yes.
number patterns. There are 2 number patterns worksheets. Writing rules. Just hold. This, what you have sent for. Yeah, but which one? Which worksheet? One is the.
Textbook one I have. Textbook, that colored one, no. I want that black and white to make them open.
Yes, there are a lot of homeworks, no? Yeah, so maybe there's other things now you have about sequence and multiplication practice sums. Can you send that? I'll open this for both of them and maybe you can.
Can you open and tell me what is the first exercise? I have one exercise 1.1 where there is a grid like this. Can you see my screen? Can you see, ma'am?
No, this is not the one.
Because I have received one that is
She's.
exercise 1.1. Hassan shaded in gray these numbers on a 100 square. The numbers form a pattern.
This from where you got?
Sakshi ma'am has sent me. Just now you have only sent her, I think. You have sent two worksheets, two PDFs. One is a colored one and the other is black and white. So I have opened the black and white because colored is I think the textbook. So textbook almost I have done. So I wanted to start with the next worksheet, the next PDF. I can show you on my camera.
Yeah, see there. Okay, we have just asked Sakshi to forward it to you. We have just sent you one practice question. This you sent.
See, ma'am, this one. I'm talking about this. Can you see on the camera? Can you see?
No, what is it?
I've sent it. Google link.
No, just show it again, ma'am.
See, ma'am. This black and white. Are you able to see? Is it visible?
Wait, this is. No, it's not very clear.
Can you see now?
This is. Okay.
So black and white is this, no?
The
Do all the
last.
sums. See?
So black and white wala I have opened.
Yeah, there are 16 pages in it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what.
yeah. Same.
Yeah. So get
Then,
that done. That will be nice.
No,
so I've
but
started
this
with
is.
exercise 1.1.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Ma'am, see. Okay.
There is a grid on the second page. First page it is just a solved example. The second page we are starting with the exercise 1.1.
David.
Can you see, ma'am? Is it open?
No, 1 minute. I'm in their classroom.
Acha.
Devian. I sent you, ma'am, that.
Array, which one you sent from here?
That it's there inside only. Don't worry. It's missing it. It's missing. Okay.
David and Tian.
Yeah.
So if I
Yeah.
colored this 11, can you see this 11?
No, 1 minute, ma'am.
You think so? It's
This one I've already sent. Hold it, David. These are your screenshots. These are your textbooks. Correct, David?
Textbook almost I have completed. So I wanted to do that black and white wala.
Yeah, but this I think they won't be able to do on the thing. They'll have
But
to
at
do it
least
in
they
the
can. But at least they can refer na for the
Yeah,
question.
I'm
So
opening.
that,
So
ha.
I've opened the numbers and the number system. Is that the one which you're doing? Exercise 1.1.
Yeah. The grid is there na 1 to 100 ka grid.
So exercise, 1.1 counting and sequences are done.
In the textbook we have done. The textbook thing we have done.
No, this workbook, ma'am. Workbook, which is sent to you, numbers and the number system.
Acha, she has sent now. Okay.
Now she would have sent you 2 worksheets. One is a practice questions and one is another fill in the missing.
Acha, so you are talking about Naomi counts back in steps of 100. She starts
Yeah,
at
maybe you
30.
can do that, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
I will open for TN also. TN, can you open the last worksheet which teacher has sent on Google Classroom?
okay.
And David, you also do. Tick.
I was talking about the previous one, ma'am.
Yeah,
It's okay,
yeah.
I will start.
Yeah, now that we have just about 15 minutes,
Ha.
we'll, David, write your name. And he has it open. Naomi counts back. So let him
Yeah,
just
okay.
write his name and then
Okay.
you'll submit this today.
Okay.
Right. TN, open the last worksheet. Right here.
Can we start, Bacha?
Yeah, this open for TN. Yes.
Naomi counts back in steps of 10. She starts at
Here you have to submit this worksheet. Come. Write your name and.
So you have to count back 100. It's not 10, bacha. You have to count back 100 means you have to subtract 100. So what will be the next number?
2965.
Yeah.
Write it.
So write it that 2965. Which of the following is the next number is the sequence? The next is 12840. So what will be the next number? You are subtracting 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So 0 minus 4 will be minus 4. So you have to write answer as minus 4.
Yeah, so the second one is on Naomi counts back in steps of 100. She starts at 3000.
That is the first answer, bacha. That is the first answer. So the answer is
2965.
Ah. So what about second answer? The second answer is minus 4. So you have to take minus 4. Correct?
Yeah.
What is the third question? What is the value of the
Any
digit?
point 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10 is wrong. 8 out of 10 is wrong. 9 out of 10 is little bit correct. 10 out of 10 is more correct. Which of the following is the next number?
Second answer is minus 4. Okay.
Yeah.
What about third question? What is the value of the
Which of the
digit 6?
following is the next number in the sequence? What is the value of digit 6 in the number?
Minus 4.
605, 248. The second one's answer is a minus 4.
Now we are going to third one. What is the value of the digit 6 in the number 6? Can you see the number? 605,000.
Question.
So what is the answer for third?
600000.
So you have to take the third option. Okay, take the third option. Calculate 8,400. 84,000 it is. Divide by 100. Divide by 100 means you have to remove 2 zeros. So when you remove 2 zeros, what will be the answer? 840.
And because we learned it in third grade.
Yes. So you have to
Which of the
remove 2
following
zeros. So answer will be 8.
Which of the
So last option.
temperature
Sorry.
is the coldest? The fifth answer.
Which of the following temperature is the coldest? Coldest in negative number?
Minus 4C.
No, it is minus 3.
That's what I was saying. Minus 3C. Which of these numbers is 10?
What is the coldest? They have asked you, na? What is the coldest?
Which of these numbers is 10 times larger
No,
than
no,
6?
no. David and Tian, which of the following temperature is the coldest? So you will write minus 4.
Minus 3, minus 4C.
Minus 4 is the coldest.
Minus 4. Which of
Not minus 3.
these numbers is 10 times larger than 6,402? Hint times means multiplication.
Multiply by 10. 10 times, na? So you have to multiply by 10. So what is the number? 6,400. 6,402. So when you multiply this by 10, it will become 64020. No, only 1 0 will come. So the third option, 64,020, the third option.
64020.
020. Yes.
Which of the following sequences is non-linear?
So can you check which is the non-linear? The third one. Because it is 15, 14, 12, 9, 5. So there is no linear in there. 15 minus 1 is 14. But 14 minus 1 is 13. It is written 12. Okay. And then 12 minus again it is 3. It is 9. So it is non-linear is the third one. Because
Now,
first,
what's the seventh question's answer?
third answer, third option. 15, 14, 12, 9, 5. Because they are non-linear.
40,000 is the eighth question.
Which one you are talking about?
The eighth question.
8. Okay. Fill in the missing number. 7 lakh plus what will give you plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 9. So what is missing? 40,000. Last option.
I was correct.
Yes.
What is the temperature shown on the thermometer?
What is the
7 degrees.
How 7 degree?
Because it's minus 7 degrees. What's the eighth question?
It is not minus 7, dear. Think properly. It is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 it is, not minus 7. It is minus 3. Count from 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So it is minus 3.
What is the eighth question? I'm about to submit.
8 is 40,000, bacha. Last option.
40,000. The
Last
one.
option. Yes, 40,000.
And the ninth one?
Minus 3.
Minus.
The first
minus
option.
3. You mean minus 3?
Yes, first option.
Okay. Am I correct?
Now tell me first, before submitting, tell me from the first answer. Tell me the first answer. What is the first answer?
The first and okay, I'll present. Then you'll see. Then you all will see.
What's the first answer, David? And then you submit, bacha. Open it fast.
Yeah. The first answer is
2965. Correct. The second answer is
minus 4.
yes. Then
600,000.
yes. Then
840.
840.
840, I'm saying. Which of the following temperatures is the coldest? 4 degrees. Which of these numbers is 10 times larger than 6,402? Hint: times means multiplication.
By 10.
64.
Yes. And then next.
64,020.
That is correct. Go to the next. That is also correct. Go to 8.
40,000.
And the last 9th is minus 3. Submit now.
You'll see the surprise. Ma'am?
Yes.
Can I show you what did I just got?
9 on 9, na?
I also got 9 on 9.
Chalo, good. Now go to the next sheet.
Wow.
Open the next. Which one you are opening now? Open the next.
There's no next one.
Textbook, open the textbook or the that numbers and number system black and white wala.
What do you want?
Okay, can you see my whiteboard?
Of course.
Can you see? Can you see the whiteboard?
Yeah.
So there is one worksheet that Sakshi ma'am has sent. You will have it in school. So you have to fill in the missing number. Okay, what is given? Fill in the missing numbers. Okay, so here it is written 6. Okay, you have to find what is written here. You have to write what is here, and it is the arrow is given like this. Okay, can you see now? And here it is written multiply by 100. Here it is written multiply by 10. And here
Now-
also again. Now can you tell me what will be the answer if you multiply 6 by 10? It will be 60. Can you write this? Copy this down.
Ma'am, I couldn't see your screen.
You are not able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Can you stop sharing so that I can?
I am not sharing my screen also.
David and Tivan, you are the presenters today. So can you make me a presenter so that I can present?
Okay.
Make me a presenter.
But ma'am, how do I have to make you into a presenter?
Now I can. Chalo. Can you see the this now? Whiteboard.
Not yet. Now I see.
Now. Can you see now? Can you
Yeah.
see now? So what was given here?
Multiply by 10 is equal to 60.
So what will be the answer here? 60. Correct? Now 60 multiplied by 10 is what? 600.
100.
And what is 6 multiplied by 100? That is also 600. So when you multiply, it arrow is given here. Okay? So that means this answer is 6 multiplied by 10, which is 60. So this is 6 multiplied by 10. So you will get 60. Again, 600 and correct? And if you do 6 by 100 also, then also you will get 600.
600.
Understood? Yes.
6
So,
multiplied by 10 is 60. And 60
multiplied by 10 is
10 is 600.
600. And 6 multiplied by 100 is also 600. Correct?
Yeah.
So this is multiplied by 10. So I got 60. How much I will get? 600.
Yeah, 600.
Okay. So that means 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. 60 multiplied by 10 is 600. And 6 multiplied by 100 is also 600. Did you get? Okay.
Yeah.
David and Tian.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you tell me the answer for this?
I know it. So the first one will be 32 multiplied by 10 is 320.
Okay. So 320, and again, if I want to write here answer, I am giving you multiply by 10. So what will be the answer?
32200.
Yes. And again, if this 32, I have to multiply by 100. What I will get? I will get same 3200. Okay.
Yeah, same.
Correct. So this is multiply by 100. Okay.
Yeah.
So this one worksheet is there that you have to complete. Okay. Now again one more number is there. It is written here 1400. But now here I have to write answer making divide by 10. So what will be the answer? Divide by 10 means what will you do? You will remove 1 0. So what will be the answer here? 140. You will remove this 0. 1400 divide by 10. So remove 1
Yeah,
0. Answer 140. Okay. If again I have to divide by 10, then what will be the answer? Tell me. If again I have to divide by 10, so what will be the answer? Again remove 1 0.
It will be 14.
Correct? And if I divide this 1400 divide by 100, so what you will do? 1400 remove 2 0. So what will be the answer? 14. So you get 14 here only. Correct? Understood?
Understood.
So write it down fast. So there is a worksheet. You have to complete that worksheet. Okay?
Yeah.
And one more last sum. In that it is 8000 here. And you have to divide by 10.
So easy.
So how much you will
That
get?
will be 800.
800. Okay? And again if I want to divide by 10,
It will be 80.
80. And if you
Then
divide this 8000,
80 divided by 10 is 8.
but they are asking you 800 divided by 100. 8000 divide by this 100. So what you will do? This 100 means
It will
80.
be
80 because 2 zeros you will remove. So again you got 80. Okay. Can we wind up for the day?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you write down the answers of this and do the textbook one also. Whatever you can do in worksheet, you have to try.
Ma'am, division is so easy now. Now
Yes.
we know it.
Chalo. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thanks for teaching us.
Welcome. All the best. Bye bye.
Yeah. Dude. Your background is cool.